Okay, so today we're going to take a look at how to make a Wordle out of some text that you find either on the internet or text that you type yourself. And Wordle is a great idea for a pre-reading activity or for brainstorming or for concept mapping. And it's an easy way to create a visual illustration of text, whether it's text that's generated from your students or from a book that you're reading or a worksheet or even your course syllabus for that matter. So if you go to wordle.net, you'll land on the home page where you can see a bunch of gallery images, or you can click create and make your own. So there are three different options for getting the text into your Wordle. You could copy and paste or type text in here. You could paste in the URL of a blog or an RSS feed or an Atom feed for any website, or use a delicious username to see their tags. What I'm going to do for this example is use the first chapter of Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. And so we're going to use this in an English class as a pre-reading activity to do some text analysis. So my students had done some brainstorming about what they thought Frankenstein was about, what they recognized from movies or from other text. But what I actually wanted to do was analyze the text to see what Wordle would come up with as important themes and to use that as a launching off point for a discussion. So I'll just do chapter 1, but what I'm actually going to do for the project is copy and paste in every chapter in the book and then see what Wordle will come up with. So I can go to Google and search for Frankenstein text, and actually there's a free version online from literature.org that I can borrow and grab that text, swing back over to Wordle and paste that in. I could repeat that process for the subsequent chapters of the book, but we'll just do chapter 1 for this example. And then click go. And what it will do is create a Wordle that I can then stylize a little bit more. So here's the basic outline of chapter 1. Under the language option, you can choose uppercase or lowercase words as you see fit. You go to font and you can pick the font for something that's more or less aggressive or more or less modern or classic. You could also go to layout and choose any of the rounder or straighter edges, maximum number of words, horizontal or vertical, or a mix. So if you wanted all horizontal, you could rotate all the words to their horizontal. You also have some preset color schemes that you can choose from. So if you were trying to come up with a particular look, you could change the look very quickly just by clicking on one of the preset themes. You also have the ability to create a custom palette or edit the custom palette to come up with some looks that would match your website more closely, depending on what you might need out of your Wordle project. So once you have your Wordle project created, you can choose Save to Public Gallery, give it a title, and we're going to call this Chapter 1, and hit OK. And once that's created, what it would do is regenerate the Wordle based on the idea that you had set in the previous screen. And then down towards the bottom, you've got some options of whether you should print this, open it in a new window, or if you wanted to add it to your blog or homepage, you could grab the href code that's here, or the A tag code that would allow you to link straight to your Wordle. So in that example, you'd actually start a new post, and in this example, we're using WordPress. And we can copy that code from Wordle. So we can right-click and choose copy. Swing over to the post and paste that in. When we look at the visual editor here in WordPress, we can preview that post. And this is the example of what the post would look like. And when you hover over the image, it would give you the tooltip. Then when you click on it, it would link back to Wordle and your particular Wordle. So Wordle's a great way to create some easy and quick illustrations for text. So use it next time you're doing a brainstorming activity or a concept map of some kind as another visual way to demonstrate important aspects of the text that you're reading or analyzing. So have fun with it, and look forward to working with you again. Thanks.